Welcome my dear student in this new topic, and our today's topic is a BCD adder. Now what is exactly a BCD adder? A simple adder which will perform a BCD operation, or which will perform the addition of BCD operation that we have to discuss here. Now BCD adder is normally a combination circuit that can add the two BCD numbers, and that particular its output also again a BCD term, and there are the total 9 input line and 4 bit for the first BCD number. Before that, first we actually see the structural view of this BCD number, BCD adder. Now here we see the BCD adder. In that we observe that there is a 4-bit particular binary adder, 4 particular binary adder that are trying to use here, and by using that 4-bit binary adder, they try to add the certain number, and it has a certain logic also, the 4-bit binary number. Okay, with along with that it will also use the AND gate and one OR gate also. Now by using this one, we will try to connect, we will try to add the certain result. Okay, now for this BCD number, the 4-bit 9 lines for 4-bit for the first BCD adder, and here you observe that it's 4-bit for the first BCD adder, and again the 4-bit for the second BCD adder, and 1 for the carry, and it has a 5 output lines. There are the total 5 output lines, 4-bit for the result in a BCD and 1 extra line, since a maximum answer in a BCD is 9 plus 9 is equals to total 19. Now first we add the BCD digit by simply 4-bit binary adder, then correct it so that we have valid BCD output. Okay, now first it get add for first 4 BCD adder, then it is get valid, and for that validity purpose, for validation or for the identification purpose, it will use this AND gate and OR gate here. Now first we add the BCD digit by simply 4-bit binary, then it correct it so that we have the valid BCD output, since any input cannot be more than line. Now indirectly we have to generate output in terms of BCD. Now BCD means 0 to 9, so it makes sure that your output will not be more than 9. 9 से बड़ा आपका आउटपुट होना चाहिए, वो वेरीफाई करने के लिए या क्रॉस चेक करने के लिए, for the verification purpose it will use this AND gate as well as OR gate. Okay, now the maximum output of the 4-bit parallel binary adder will be 9 plus 9 plus 1 is equals to 19, that is 10011, so that it range from binary adder will be from 5 times 0 up to 10011. Now this binary sum is from the BCD. Now both the binary and the BCD, if the sum of the binary adder is between 10 to 15, that is no carry generated in the BCD arithmetic adder, and to the binary sum obtain the correct BCD output, and if there is a carry generated between 16 to 19 in the binary adder, even if the sum of the binary adder is to get corrected in the BCD one. Now there is a certain process while performing the BCD addition. How? We will discuss that particular process. In that, according to that process, it just the BCD addition process containing certain steps. That is, first it adds the 4-bit BCD code in a group for each decimal digit position using ordinary binary addition. Here we perform certain different addition operation here, and by the simple adder. Okay, for those positions where the sum is 9 or less, the sum is proper BCD form and there is no correction is needed. अगर आपकी सम 9 या 9 से कम होंगे तो डेट इज योर आउटपुट इज करेक्ट, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस करने की जरूरत नहीं. बट अगर व्हेन द सम ऑफ द टू डिजिट्स इज ग्रेटर देन 9, द करेक्शंस ऑफ 0110 शुड बी एडेड टू द सम टू प्रोड्यूस द प्रॉपर बीसीडी. इट मीन्स अगर आपका रिजल्टेंट एडिशन ये 9 से ज़्यादा होंगी तो उसमें 6 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. 6 ऐड करने का मीनिंग क्या है, तो कोई भी नंबर होगा उसमें 6 ऐड अगर करते हैं तो आपका बीसीडी आउटपुट रिजल्ट प्रॉपर आता है. करके आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि यहाँ पे 6 के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोविजन की है. ये जो रिजल्टेंट 1 यहाँ पे आ ही जाएगा, So 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0, it means total 6 will be added in the number, and when there is a 6 is added in a particular number, that particular number will be converted in the proper BCD form. And in this way, this BCD addition will be performed by using BCD adder, and in this way this BCD adder will get work. Okay, thank you very much.